My name is Inna Voloshchuk. I'm a rising sophomore from MIT. I study mathematics and computer science. I'm from South Carolina, but I was originally born in Ukraine. I'm currently in the MIT program in Lithuania, working on data science and machine learning. My host organization is Euromonitor International. In the beginning of my internship, I was doing some model training. We were training models and then analyzing how they did to see if they were able to predict certain attributes for different products. For example, diets, if a product was kosher or halal or vegetarian. Now we kind of transitioned into a different type of work. So now we're doing some data cleaning where we write code that will parse through text to make the text look cleaner, and so people can read through it easier, and so that our models will be able to find the right keywords, and so that they will perform better. I think I need a lot of help in my internship, which is okay because I'm so new to the field. Everyone here has been incredibly nice. Anytime I ask them a question, they always rush over to my desk and show me how to do something, or send me lines of code that I can try and run. So then I can learn something on my own instead of just being given the answer, which is really nice. And it's also really nice that all my colleagues have been inviting the interns to go to lunch with them, and so we've done a lot of connecting and stuff. Reading is one of my favorite things to do. Sometimes I'll go to a bookstore over here, pick a random book, and go to a park and just sit there and read. There are Baroque buildings everywhere, and the churches here are really nice. Just looking out on a panorama and seeing all the different architecture styles and the steeples going up. And one of my favorite neighborhoods is actually Užupis. It's very beautiful. There's gardens everywhere and artwork everywhere. And you see people sitting by the river and just sketching and kind of just enjoying the nature and enjoying themselves. I feel sometimes in the States, it's always a culture of running around and doing work all the time. It's nice to see a different kind of perspective of having your work and then afterwards being able to sit and relax a little bit. Nothing compares to Vilnius and its cleanliness and all that people here, and the food here is good too.